Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Jay.
And today we are here to show you how to assemble this shelving unit. Okay, so the first thing we did is laid out all of our pieces. You should have 4 slanted shelving pieces, some split sleeves that we have shown here in the middle. We have 4 casters, 2 of them are locking, 2 are non-locking, and then we have 8 poles. There is a top pole and a bottom pole, and how you'll know the difference, the bottom pole that I have shown here is a little bit shorter than the top pole. So the first thing we're going to do is assemble the casters into the bottom pole. You want to make sure that you've got the correct side. One side of the pole is threaded, the other is not. We're going to insert the casters into the threaded, non-threaded side. So you're just going to wiggle it in a little bit and then use a mallet. So now that we have all 4 casters put in the bottom pole, we are going to assemble the bottom shelf using the split sleeves. We're going to do the locking caster first. With these split sleeves, it is a little bit tapered. The smaller portion goes at the top so that the sleeves can slide onto it, or the shelves can slide onto the sleeve. And you can hear them kind of snap into place once you've got them in the correct position. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put the back poles in. Just slides right on. All right, and then we're going to do the same for the front. The front's going to go all the way at the bottom. Okay, and you now have your bottom shelf on. So then what we're going to do is take another shelf using some more split sleeves. Just 2. And put the bottom shelf on. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put in the top poles before we put the 3rd shelf on. And again, these are threaded, and they're gonna screw just right into the bottom threaded piece. Pretty easy, just like this. Make sure they're tight. So after all 4 poles are locked into place, we're gonna go ahead and add some more split sleeves. What's nice about this shelving unit is the shelves are adjustable to fit your needs, whatever depths you need them to be. And that's how you put this shelving unit together. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call. Thanks for watching.